Hello, my dear students. I hope you all will safe and fine at your home. I hope you already read that syllabus paper. In that syllabus paper from term 1, we are going to ask from chapter 1 and chapter 5. So, we already completed chapter 1 and today I am going to do our chapter 5. So, you have to listen it carefully and do it very properly. Okay, now summary of this chapter. One sunny day in Aziz, Ali, a camel driver, saw a noisy car coming down the road. He thought it was wonderful thing when night came. The car and Ali's camel Sultan rested inside the same shed. Both rested the in same shed. Both of them were traveling to Zela the next day. The car said that it was faster and would surely reach Zela sooner. In the morning, Ali and Sultan set out earlier and traveled through the rocky, sandy places. As the day advanced, it became very hot, and suddenly the car came up very fast. As it passed them, it called out Sultan to hurry up. After Ali and Sultan had walked it a bit further, they heard the car again, but this time sounded sad. When Ali and Sultan reached the car, they found that the driver was looking very angry. The car had run out of petrol. Ali offered to take the man with him to Zela. They reached there in the evening. Through the night, the car stayed all alone in the desert. It realized that the desert could be as cold in the night as it was hot during the day. It wished it had not boasted so much. The next day, the car was still very lonely. Then Sultan and Ali came to help it. Sultan pulled the car to Zella. The time the car thanked Sultan. So it is the story of the camel and the car. Okay, so why we are going to learn this chapter? Because to retell the story, setting problem and solution, to talk about the value of not boasting. हम किसी से अपना बड़प्पन नहीं दिखाना है, हमें अपने अपने तरीके से रहना है. ओके, इट इज़ द this chapter importance. Who said these words and line? These cars are wonderful things. Who said these? This is said by these words are said by Sultan. Okay, we surely be faster than you. You will never reach Jella at this speed. I wish I had not boasted so much. Who said this line? You have to do this one. Now come to the scene passage. That night Ali's camel Sultan and the car rested in the same shed. They started talking and found that they were both traveling to the town of Zela the next day. Okay, this is the scene passage from our chapter 5. You have to do it from yourself. And who said these words? From your textbook only. For this you have to read this chapter full, then only you will get the answer. Okay, what is the question? That one, first one. Who said this word? Ali said this to himself. Okay, which words are there? There are How many characters are there? 4 characters: camel, camel driver, car, and car driver. They were moving to the Zella. It is for they were riding on boat. Sultan and Ali, they were riding on the camel. So car was boasted himself. कार अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा ऐसे समझ के बोलने लगा, और बीच में जाके कार का पेट्रोल हुआ था, पेट्रोल ख़त्म हुआ तो हु केम टू हेल्प हिम? द camel driver, and camel came to the help the car. But this time they will not help the car, they helped only car driver. That time the car rested in the night time of desert. That time he felt that deserts are as cold as hot in the morning. मॉर्निंग में जितना हॉट रहता है रात को भी इतना कोल्ड रहता है, भी दो वो ठंडी से कांपने लगा. दैट टाइम ही सेड हिमसेल्फ, मैं ज़्यादा बोस्टेड मीन्स बहुत ही अहंकार से ये बात नहीं किया होता तो शायद मुझे ये देखना नहीं पड़ता. ऐसे सोच के कार को अपने आप के ऊपर बहुत ही गिल्टी फील होने लगा. सो दैट टाइम कार कैमल ड्राइवर एंड कैमल ड्राइवर आके कार ड्राइवर को हेल्प किए और उसको जेल्ला पहुंचाए. बट नेक्स्ट डे कैमल और कैमल ड्राइवर ने ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ा. दैट टाइम दे केम विथ अ रोप एंड दे पुल्ड टाइड इट अ कार एंड दे पुल्ड, उसको खींचते हुए जेल्ला पहुंचाया, जेल्ला सिटी में पहुंच दिए. दैट टाइम कार फेल्ट अशेम्ड, कार को बहुत ही शेम फील होने लगा. इट इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ द कैमल एंड द कार. नाउ सीन पैसेज इज हियर. यू हैव टू डू दिस who said these words in your revision sheet, and you have to do scene passage 1 in your revision sheet. And questions are: what time was mentioned in the passage? Night time was mentioned in the passage. Who were rested in the same shed? Camel and the car rested in the same shed. Which animal was mentioned in the passage? Camel was mentioned in the passage. Write 2 past tense of these: find, found, rest, rested, look, looked, start, started. This you have to do in your revision sheet. I hope you all will complete this yourself, and then I am going to send you a PDF of this. And next we will do our brief question answers and grammar part. This chapter grammar part is very important, so children you have to learn it very well and focus it very properly. इसको आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से पढ़ना है और ध्यान से सुनना है. This is coming in your